Russ here, RVerTV. This is Multnomah Falls. I'm gonna launch the drone real quick. A couple of wind gusts really blew through here, so I'm just gonna get it launched real quick and we'll see what we get. Alright, there's the falls. Look at it go. Yeah, it's windy. I'm getting wind warnings. Right on the river here. Look at the parking lot. Not full. Every time I ever driven past here, it was always packed. There's Interstate 84. That's the way we just came down in from Portland. There's the mighty Columbia. We'll be following this river for a while. That's Washington across the way. Ah, I see blue sky way down there. Look at that. Alright, one more quick look. I'm going to land. We're going to go walk around. I want to go walk this whole thing. There's that bridge up there. We'll go up on that bridge by the falls. Before this place gets too full and too packed. Alright, let me get landed. We're going to go for a walk. Well, let's go check out a waterfall. Boy, that wind came up in a hurry. This gorge. Oof. There was some pretty hefty gusts. Well, they got a little information thing here. I'll tell you, Oregon does it right. I mean, they got the best locations. Look at this. Oregon travel information. Look how well done it is. Real clean. Look at all the brochures fully stocked. They know how to do it. I've never been so impressed in all my life. Alright, let's go underneath the freeway here. You can actually see it pretty good from the road here. Look at that thing go. Made it. You couldn't even hear the traffic. I'll check out this railroad bridge. Look at how low it is. Oh, I wish a train was coming along. Would you like to be underneath there? That was cool. Looks like there's a road on this side. I didn't know it. Huh. Okay, storyboard. There's the falls. Look at the wind blowing now. Okay, looks like food, gift shop. There's parking there. Oh no, I'm fine over there across the road. Multnomah Falls, Columbia River Gorge. There's a little exhibitor museum. We'll hit that on the way out. Check that on the way out of here. Nice map of the area. Guess you can hike quite a ways up. You can go all the way up top of the falls, which I'm not. And just in case you wondered, but you can hike. There's hiking trails in here. Someone told me that there was a huge fire here last year. They had all this closed off. That's a shame. Okay, look at all the selfies and pictures. There's the falls. Check it out. Go up to that bridge. I'll walk up that far. So let's go up this trail over here. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. But they got gates. I guess they close it. Said day use only. Old people bench. I'll take it. What's the sign say? Bridge 2/10 of a mile, up top a mile. We're going to 2/10. The fence keeps the rocks and stuff from coming down, falling on you. I see burnt trees. Looks pretty green too, though. But you can see quite a few burnt trees here. Okay, here's a scenic bridge. Look at all the people. Oh, wait a minute. Rocks are rolling. Look at that fall go, huh? Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, I'm going to wander out there a minute. We'll get a few pictures and then I'm out of here. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Too many people for me. What a pretty place, though. Back down, we'll go check out that exhibit or museum, whatever it was down there, before we hit the road. I'm glad I stopped. I've never been here. If you're in the area, do this. It's worth it. You can feel the mist of the falls, too, when you stand on the bridge. back down the selfie corner. Can't blame them. I mean, look at it. Often you're going to get a picture taken with that behind you. Isn't that amazing? Mother Nature at its finest. I know I keep saying it, but Oregon has the best places to stop. My goodness. Beautiful. Well, let's go check out this exhibit here. Looks like they've got food. You can buy food here. We got natural wonders. Looks like quite a bit of history. Who's that? Huh. And information. I need to sign in on their book here. Well, what a great little stop. Highly recommended. Well, let's head for the van. The train will come along. Look how low that thing is. I've never seen one that low. You almost duck to get under it. Look at that. Huh. Bet that's loud too when them trains come through there. Oof. Well, from big boats in the river to waterfalls in the river. We'll find out what's next down the road. I need to find a camp area for tonight too. Fees or charges here, no day use or anything. Park for free, go up there and see it for free. On description, there's all kinds of ways to support the channel. Buy me a cup of coffee, get a t-shirt, coffee mug, shop on Amazon. Thank you for everyone that's already done that. Helps the channel grow. We're going to get back on 84. We're not going to go very far to the next stop. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Take care, talk soon.